Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's for this gorgeous Huskin drum. It's a 22 inch by 18 inch wide oval frame, as you can see. It's got a beautiful horse skin on here, some beautiful design, natural Mother Nature's design on the back there, on the front I should say. On the back we've got a horse chestnut branch handle. It's on an ashwood frame. On the inside of the frame here I've put ash and horse. That's so you've always got the reference for the materials used. The date of birth, which is the 14th of December 2022. That's the day of birth of this drum, and you can find out the astrological aspects that were happening on that day. I've also put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a soft beater. Both are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide this is the right one for you, and that's an option at the checkout. This is a firmer beater. I'll start with that one. Here we go, let's have a little play. Gorgeous. Nice, soft, gentle, muted kind of sound with that one. This is a firmer beater, this is a little bit brighter. Nice big sound. Okay, well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's just very difficult, and that's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.